I want to connect the Hoco ES64 Ultra neckband to my laptop, so I'm turning on the neckband. But after turning on the neckband, the Hoco ES64 Ultra device is not visible on the laptop. If the Hoco ES64 Ultra neckband device is not visible on the laptop, let's see how to solve this. First, make sure your neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, charge it first. Keep charging the neckband for 15 to 20 minutes. After charging the neckband, try connecting it to the laptop. If the Hoco ES64 Ultra neckband still does not appear on the laptop, follow the second method. Turn off the power switch for 5 to 10 seconds. Turn it back on after 5 to 10 seconds. Now try connecting the neckband to the laptop. The Hoco ES64 Ultra is now also available on laptops. Now connect it to the laptop. Finally, the Hoco ES64 Ultra is now connected to the laptop.